Listen here. If you're planning to publish a book on Amazon KDP or anywhere else, the worst mistake you can make is hiring the wrong book cover designer. A beautiful cover isn't enough. You need a cover that matches your genre, attracts the right readers, and instantly communicates your book's identity before anyone even reads the description. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to hire the perfect designer step by step, even if you're a brand new author. Your book cover is your number one marketing tool. It determines whether someone scrolls past or clicks, whether someone reads your blurb or moves on. And the truth is this: most authors fail not because their writing is bad, but because their cover doesn't look like it belongs in their genre. So today, I'll walk you through the exact process to hire a cover designer who understands your genre, your audience, and your style, so you get a professional, market-ready design the first time. Before you hire anyone, you need to know what your genre actually looks like. Every genre has its own visual language. Romance uses soft lighting, bold typography, warm palettes, and emotional imagery. Fantasy uses dramatic scenes, magical lighting, and ornate fonts. Thrillers rely on contrast, dark tones, sharp typography, and tension-packed imagery. Children's books use bright colors, cute characters, and friendly, simple fonts. Nonfiction uses clean titles, minimal icons, and strong color psychology. If your cover breaks these rules, your target reader won't click. So before hiring anyone, collect 10 to 20 covers in your genre that are selling well. These become your visual benchmark, and your designer must be able to match them. Next, you need a designer who specializes in your genre. Not every designer can design for every type of book. Someone who excels at romance might struggle with sci-fi. Someone who creates children's book covers might not understand historical fiction. When you look at their portfolio, you should see your genre represented clearly. Similar styles, clean typography, strong layouts, correct trim sizes, and covers that look like real, traditionally published books. If their portfolio looks scattered or inconsistent, skip them. Then, always read the reviews, and read between the lines. Good reviews should mention things like matched my genre perfectly, understood my style, professional KDP formatting, great typography, or helped improve my marketability. If you see words like had to redo it multiple times, didn't understand my references, or typography was off, those are red flags. Once you've found a designer you trust, create a simple, clear brief. Designers work visually, not verbally, so keep it straightforward. Include your genre, your target audience, a short summary of your story, 5 to 10 reference covers, the elements you want included, your trim size, and whether you need paperback, ebook, or both. This eliminates confusion and ensures the designer knows exactly what to deliver. A professional designer should always provide the correct KDP files. That includes a KDP-ready PDF for paperback, a high-resolution JPEG for Kindle, proper bleed and margins, correct spine width, and ideally layered source files. If a designer doesn't understand bleed, margins, or spine calculations, that's a major warning sign. You want someone experienced with Amazon KDP. And finally, hire a designer who communicates clearly. You want someone who replies in a reasonable time, understands your references, offers helpful suggestions, and explains their design choices. A great designer doesn't just follow instructions. They guide you, advise you, and help make your cover stronger. Listen here. Your book deserves a cover that represents the story you worked so hard to create. Don't settle for something good enough. Your cover is your first impression, and in publishing, first impressions are everything. If you want my personal recommendation for a designer who specializes in multiple genres, works fast, and delivers KDP-ready files, click the link below this video. This is the designer I trust and highly recommend to authors who want a professional, market-tested cover. Click the link below to hire a professional book cover designer today. You'll get a polished, genre-matched, KDP-ready cover that can instantly improve your book's click-through rate and sales. Don't publish without one. Your readers deserve the best. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.